how to use voice changer in Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, once you navigate to your home page, if you swipe up to your right, you will get in the next page where you can record. Now, to use a voice changer, there you will be able to view all the effects loaded in your interface at the bottom. So if you scroll or swipe all the filters to your left and at the very end, you will find this option as browse effects. So tap on it. Now in the search bar, search for voice effects. Then you'll be loaded with all of these voice effects. Now you can choose one from this list. Then you can close this. Now once you choose a voice effect, then you can simply record using this voice effect in your Instagram, and that's the way to use voice changer in Instagram. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.